You can see my screen, right? Team, can
Yeah.
I confirm?
Yes, yes.
So as I was telling, this one, then this two, then this three, then this four, then this five. So five are in combination of 6 terms. So that's a LinkedIn limit it's giving us. Now, as we go for an additional keyword, and API. So it shows no result. So just to break that, what we do, whatever the or space before or remains as it is, but whatever the space after or goes off. Let me just copy this only once. So whatever the space before or remains as it is, whatever the space after or goes off. And then similarly for API. So whatever the space before or remains as it is, and whatever the space after or, we are removing and we are merging with the next keyword. So as you might have experienced earlier, when you give larger number of keywords, LinkedIn will not show us. Like before also we experienced, as we went to the seventh keyword with the sixth term, it was not showing us the results. So just to break that. Mhm. What is this?
Shiv, I have a question. Sorry, I missed it. Why are you just removing it and putting it again?
Yeah, the reason because LinkedIn in free version of LinkedIn, it's not a recruiter version. It allows me only to give maximum 5 operator in combination of 6 terms or 6 keywords, right?
Yeah.
As soon as we enter the 6th keyword like API, it has not shown the results, right?
Yeah.
So just to break that limitation of 5 keywords, what we are doing is whatever the space before or goes off, sorry,
Yeah.
space before or remains as it is, and whatever the space after or goes off.
Goes off. Yeah. But then why you were just deleting the double quotes and putting them again?
Yeah, the format of, if you see the word format of these double quotes over here is different.
Yeah.
And wherein the format of these double quote is different in a web.
Ah, okay. Okay, sure.
Okay, I'll just copy this and just take this part. Web services, rest, something data model only I'll take. Okay, and we'll just give first try. Okay. And then after or, whatever the word is coming, just go with double quotes, even if it is a single or two words. So here web API, again, we'll go with additional double quotes. I think we'll not be able to cover today's agenda, but that's completely fine. It's always better to move without any questions. So what are the space before or remains as it is, and space after or goes off, and whatever the keywords we have after or has to be gone with this particular quotes, this format of the quotes.
Shiv, can someone help you to open the text notepad?
On Mac, let me see, I'm here to take a Mac too.
It's taking too much of time for you.
Yeah, can't help. Okay.
Shiv, you are using more than 5 operators, right? Or
Yes,
it's been used.
yes. That is purposefully. So just to break the operator, the limitation of this 5, let's say if I keep it in a first go, let's keep it till here.
Okay.
Okay, so earlier we had a limitation. Na? So just to break that limitation, we are using in that way. What's going wrong?
Shiv,
Yeah,
the API thing also has to be within quotations.
we have kept now. Did we miss?
No, yeah, we have missed. API, there is no quotation there. So whether it is after or before or, when we're doing this, every single word has to have a quotation.
Yeah. So this. This is still changing. Is it good now? Okay, this SOA thing is still changed.
Srinivas, every keyword has to be in quotations.
Yeah.
Yes, it has, and it has to be. And after closing the bracket, if we're adding another bracket after that, then and we should use.
Maybe this at
I think. Yeah, I think, yeah.
LD, we'll just use this one. So if you see, that was and numeric and. It's not A and D, it's numeric and. Otherwise, just remove completely. Just keep space. In case if space is also not working, go for symbolic and, not A and D and. Go for symbolic and. Now, if we see almost we have it. Now again, we'll go to all filters. This is where we use our product manager. All right. So Now we have done some tricks where earlier the limitation was only for 5 operator and 6 keyword. By using this breakdown, we were able to get the additional result. Now we'll go for Pune. So there's a other session, in fact, how to overcome the limitations for LinkedIn that will cover, there will cover in detail, but now let's keep it short. Okay, so business intelligence consultant, data analyst, SQL, Python, reporting, data modeling, data science, data researcher. Yeah, we have this ones. And what are the combination of data modeling and what are the combination of API we have used? Those has to be there in the rest of the keyword.
Shiv, to what I understood from the requirements, it is the business analyst or product owner who we are looking at it.
So based on only 9 people
I think
matching
we can
search
move-
criteria, maybe only 9 people in that case. Okay, say Maharashtra. Yeah, Shweta, you're correct. With this particular combination, we definitely have very few results. People see, data modeling is something people might write or might not write. They might write SQL also. Because data modeling is again a part of SQL. So as soon as we write SQL, so that's where the results increase.
Okay.
So what is data modeling in database? Let's say what is data modeling?
You can use Power BI as a data modeler tool.
Data modeling is a
That is a
software
very-
engineering in the process of creating data model for an information system.
SQL, there is a thin line difference because what data to be stored and how it is using in the database, it is basically the data modeler's work. So in SQL, it is, I think it is different what exactly a data modeler does.
And did not worked on this rack overview. Data modeling is a
Okay, I
process of use defined and data requirement. Need to support
Hi,
the
Shiv, this is Vinay.
yeah.
So, first of all, the problem statement and the search criteria that we're using are a little different. So, if you look at the problem statement, what they're looking at is either a business analyst or a product owner or a product manager who's worked on data modeling side of it. So, what we are looking at is we are looking at a combination of business analyst and data modeling where we will not get any results. So basically, we need to look at candidates who are business analysts or product owners in their respective organizations and also worked on data modeling projects. So that is what will give the exact results. And again, within that, we are looking at location as Pune. So that is a combination we need to use because if we look at it, data analyst is a different role, business analyst is a different role. So some of the organizations, product owners and business analysts, there is some kind of overlap between the roles. So rather than focusing on data analysts, we need to look at candidates who are business analysts working on data modeling projects. There, when we talk to them, we need to check, do they have a good understanding of the API side of it?
Exactly. So APIs is something, do you suggest that we exclude for now and just focus on business analyst and data analyst or data modeling or product owner or product manager?
Exactly, that's what I did. I mean, I just removed that API part because if
Okay, now if you see,
product
manager or business analyst, data analyst or product owner will add.
Yes.
Okay, maybe earlier here we have mentioned the pipe. That's the reason we had a lesser number of results. But now I just replace that pipe with or. Now we have decent number of results, all with the relevant title, data analyst or business analyst or product manager or product owner. Those titles are there. And definitely, do you suggest to use SQL or just the data modeling?
No, no, I mean, we should remove that SQL.
Okay, let's remove this SQL and go for data modeling related keywords. We still have 19. And yeah, if you're suggesting to remove API set of keywords, then we can always remove API set of keywords and just see only with the data modeling set of keywords how much we are getting.
But I believe SQL is relevant because these data modeler use SQL as a database.
It should be and, then it should not be or. Data model is important.
Data model is there. So, and we are using APIs. So we are not using API in a combination of data model and API we are using. We are not using in a OR model as well. Data model, you're saying along with data model or SQL also we can use. Can we use?
Yes, yes, Shiv.
Yes.
Okay.
If let the string be as it is, just exclude data analyst and see what results are coming up.
In keyword, we did not give data analyst. In titles, we gave data analyst or business analyst. Let's say SQL or MySQL, both the people are using it. So when we give additional SQL or MySQL, that's where the additional results are coming in. But wherein in the title, we just give product manager, business analyst, or data analyst, or product owner. Is the statement clear? And are we on a right search? I'll still ping this search with you. Just take a look in case if you're getting the right results. You just have to click on it and log in into your LinkedIn. You'll be able to come to this page.
Thank you, Shiv.
Okay. So let's say someone was giving a clear definition for this requirement. Can you please help? Nayak, was that you? Ask from the point.
Yeah, that was Vinay, I think. Vinay Prashant.
That was Vipul basically.
Vipul. Yeah, Vipul, can you please help in case if you're on the right track?
I have one question, Shiv. So are you saying
Vinay.
whoever is using SQL and he's a data modeler? I mean, there is a, I mean,
Data model is a kind of a keyword. Very few people might write in their resume, but that is something we'll have to call and check with them. Maybe we can look for, as Vipul was telling, business analyst or product manager or product analyst or data analyst will look first. And then later on, we'll add some of the tools like, again, SQL Server, ETL, or integration services, reporting services, application services. These are all like, again, the reporting tools or the data modeling tools also, I would say. So we would go with that limited set of keywords. What are the alternatives of data modeling? And then we'll have to call and ask. So data modeling is a kind of a keyword, very few words, like created a data model. Very few people might write in their resume. Not many people would write data miner.
Can you make one search with the data modeling tool with the like Irwin, Power BI, and ER Studios and all?
We can
Let's see what's the we are getting.
Instead of data modeling, also Power BI. Power BI. Or what else?
Irwin, ERWIN.
ERWIN.
Or ER/Studio.
Or ER/STUDIO Studio.
Yes, let's do
it.
I'll
try SQL now. Vipul, are we good? Not sure if he's there.
It's Vinay though, but I don't know if he's here. Vinay.
Hi, I'm here. So see, again, what we're doing is we are looking at options of data modeling. But what we need to look at is we need a pure business analyst. One, Pooja, you need to go back to your business or the hiring manager and ask, you want a BA who's working on any of the data modeling tools, or you want a BA who's worked on data modeling projects. So that is something you need to be 100% clear before you go ahead and key in for the search criteria. Because the options that we are using here will hardly fetch you any kind of results. So first thing you need to get clarity is on that. And then accordingly, you'll have to tweak your search criteria here.
Yeah, that's what I feel the same. Okay, but otherwise, this is how we go about the search, and pretty much it's giving us definitely a limited result, 113 from Pune market. But additionally, when we add SQL, then that's where the results are increasing. Then definitely, I would say there's a clarity of position which is required from the hiring manager. We'll definitely have to go back and just check with them what is that the ask is.
We can share one CV and then speak to the concerned technical hiring manager.
So let me just share this string also. Maybe additionally, you can just play around with this string, and this is directly in LinkedIn we gave it. I'll share in the chat after the session. So this is the search, and string something which comes here. All right.
Yes, sir. If you can just share the the string as well. Not the LinkedIn as well as the string.
I'll just share as well, and that one also I'll share it in the chat. Where is the chat window? Yeah. Okay, so that's about two different challenges which we had, one for the front end and the other for data model. And coming back to our agenda now, how much time we left? We are at 7:40. Let me just see in case if you can at least touch base on it.
Actually, my one doubt was still pending,
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, actually, I have shared that Flutter string with you, on the chat.
Oh, that's gone, yeah. Can you please reshare it?
Let me check again. I am sending you. I hope you got it now. It's in URL GitHub, and I'm looking for the Flutter developer actually. Got the link. So actually, I'm not getting the results with that actually, so can you please help me? I'll just take 5-10 minutes of yours more on this link only.
No problem. Close this, but let's close today with this problem statement only. Not a problem. Maybe next session, I'll come back and cover the agenda, what was supposed to be covered. Because definitely, see, unless we are not moving with the full understanding, it doesn't make sense.
Exactly.
Where is the word?
Shiv, is this the same sheet that you shared in WhatsApp group, Excel sheet?
Which one? No,
the one that you opened.
No, that's a different one. That's for internal purpose I created. So yeah, in URL, GitHub, you're saying now, see here, there is a space.
Agree with that, but still, results are not up to the mark. So that's why.
No problem. In URL, github.com, in title, CV your resume, just remove this in title, not required. CV your resume, Flutter developer, Flutter engineer, React Native, Indore, Bhopal, job, career. Just this much is enough when we're targeting GitHub.
So we can remove jobs in that, the jobs or career statements.
No, you're targeting GitHub. When we're targeting particular site with CV or resume, so it's upfront, you're getting those individual resumes only. either the repository.
So that means we need not to use the not operator over here in GitHub. Is that so?
Unless, see, not unless first we give a limited keywords, and if we see there are number of irrelevant results are coming in, like jobs and all. That's where I'm just going back and using a not job, not jobs, not careers. But at the very first approach, I would not directly include jobs or careers to exclude.
Okay.
So first, start with the basic. Just write down as short as string possible. And if it is giving us a good results, good enough. If it is not giving us, then that's where we further go and keep excluding. Now with the in URL github.com, or I'll say just site github.com instead of that. Site github.com, then CV or resume, then Flutter developer or Flutter engineer, or let's say we'll just go with Flutter as a skill. And maybe a React Native, people might write in 10 different ways. We'll just keep React, Flutter or React, Inder or Bhupan. It still gives us. So React Material UI, Flutter, let's say Flutter and React, both the things we'll keep now. When we have a more number of results, I'll just keep React.
React Native has to be React Native only, because this is mobile framework, right? If you're putting React,
yeah, exactly.
Okay, fine. Then
React and React Native are different from each other.
So React -native native. Then React native space native. And React native direct React Native. Flutter, only Flutter, I'll keep it. Flutter with spelling mistake, maybe FLUTER. People might do a spelling mistakes also. Is this enough?
Maybe. Let's see.
So this gives 4. Yeah, React Native, very limited profile. Let's give a GitHub direct search. So that's again a little part, but for your interest, we'll just do a quick check.
Shiv, in the previous search, there was one space missing. I think.
Give me a second here. Why is this so dark? I'll just come to advanced search. So is the Flutter language or what it is?
The framework, I believe.
It's the UI framework. It's a UI.
Flutter developer, they use Dart as a programming language because the Google product, right?
So which product they use? Dart.
Dart, D-A-R-T, Dart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we have Flutter here. No. React. Okay, let's go with Dart. So we might end up in another 10 minutes. So Dart, I'll just say Indore first. Then we'll search. So So we got only 22 users, not many users. So if not that, so let's say just location Indore, and then I'll just go with FLUTTER, Flutter. So yeah.
GitHub also use the search like Google only?
What?
In GitHub, we can use this search criteria like Google only, right?
Almost like Google only. We have a later session for this one, GitHub search, but otherwise just to keep it short, when we came directly to the GitHub and gave location Indore, similarly, you can give location Bhopal and just Flutter. So we have a limited profiles. So from Bhopal, we got some 19 candidates: Flutter Sandwich, Flutter Enthusiastic, Android, Flutter Dev, Flutter Developer, Flutter Python, Java, AI/ML, Flutter App Developer. So whatever the keyword we are using here, these candidates would have written in their title. Let's say if I open this profile, it's not necessary. It's candidate may have a repository on the Flutter, but if you see, they would have written in the title that they are a Flutter developer and all. Okay, only here, if they have written, these results are coming in. These 19 results from Bhopal, what we got is that person has written in the title over here. Okay, so there might be other use case where people did not write a Flutter over here, but that is there in the repository projects or packages. So if you want to catch that, then again, you go back and do the GitHub site, CV resume, just remove Flutter, React Native, Indore or Bhopal. So we have additional 21. So yeah, almost direct search is giving us 24 plus 19. Indirect search is giving slightly lesser results. Because the combination with Flutter and React Native is very rare, in fact. And again, the location itself is a great challenge. So you may have to see people who might have a roots in Indore or Bhopal. So direct search or indirect search also, what it giving us people who are currently in the Indore.
You will get lots of people from Indore, Mumbai and Hyderabad. There are many people who are from Indore. They are working in Mumbai and Hyderabad.
Yeah, maybe you can see that. Or how about LinkedIn? Didn't you get the results on LinkedIn? Nayak, it was your question, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So did you check on LinkedIn as well?
What did I check on LinkedIn actually? No, I didn't do that. I just used the Google for that only.
Okay, let's say site. LinkedIn.
So I have one question.
Yeah.
What is the difference? Is there any difference when we are working on LinkedIn Recruiter and putting a LinkedIn like X-ray search in Google? Is there any difference result would we get, or we get the same result?
We'll cover that in a dive deep on LinkedIn session. There is a difference.
Means there is a difference, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
In detail, we'll cover later.
Okay.
Yeah, you still have with Flutter, with React Native from LinkedIn, you have number of results, Nayak.
Okay.
Maybe a platform is not in that platform we do not have enough, but yeah, in LinkedIn you have enough, and everyone is from Indore.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, and both the combination we gone with Flutter and React Native. If you say it's a decent enough combination, in fact. You have decent enough profiles, at least on LinkedIn. May not be on GitHub, but at least on LinkedIn, you have decent enough profiles. And all are from Indore. And additionally, additional tools or skills also, if you need to, if you want to add, you can always add. Now, if you say in title just Flutter, you can take that also. In title Flutter. So you have 34 who would have written in title Flutter. A straightforward results of Flutter developer in title. As if we just give as a keyword Flutter, we still have decent number of results. All right, so we have another 4 minutes. Any more questions? Maybe like today's agenda we'll cover in our next session. Let's keep this as we kept it already, just for the discussion about the previous sessions or about the searches which we are creating. Maybe we might be practicing on previous sessions, and definitely we're creating some of the searches, and that's the reason it's definitely necessary to go with full understanding.
Right. So just a
Ashif, can you please share this with me? Like this, yeah.
Shiv, just a last question. How to add years of experience in this string?
How to add?
Years of experience in that string.
Give me a second. That's 6.
Just how you will add the age of experience in the string above.
Wait. So
5 to 10 years of experience.
What is it? So again, we come here. Okay, let's go here only.
Yeah.
5.10. Srinivas, you had some strings for this years of experience now. For me, I'll just keep it short. 5 ... years of experience. EXPERIENCE. Experience.
It's double I. You have to delete one I.
So these are the people who would have manually written in their profile 6 years, 7 years.
Yes.
But otherwise,
Perfect.
you directly come here. Let's say YOE 5 or YOE 6 or let's say I'll just give 2 considering limited set of keywords over here. Then FLUTTER. Let's say A and 1 and 2 and 3 and REACT -NATIVE native.
If you can just share it over the string only, that will be help. We have a less than a minute now.
Unless we are going to 8 here. Give me a moment. Okay, so this gives you minimum 5 years and maximum 7 years. This YOE you can keep changing here and you will get it.
All right.
Just the direct search, and then I'll just go here, add INDORE Indore.
No, that's fine. But I'm just interested to know for that search string for LinkedIn, you have made it. This is fine. I got it.
Okay.
What that 5.10 star experience you have made it previously.
That I'll share in a group chat maybe tonight.
All right.